Good morning children. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Prose and Poem book back exercise only. Let's see that. Unit 2 Lesson 2 The Last Stone Carver. Book page number 116. Which of the two sentences given below conveys the following meaning? First one, stained by. Mark made on cloths or material. The whitewashed walls were stained by many monsoons. The answer is option A. The walls were made dirty by rains. Then second one, working for pittance, working for very little money. I am tired of working for a pittance. He didn't want to work because he was tired. He didn't want to work as he gets low income for his work. The answer is option B. He didn't want to work as he gets low income for his work. Third one, ashen, pale. His face was ashen. A. He looked pale and dull. B. He looked bright and cheerful. The answer is option A. He looked pale and dull. The next, fourth one, drenched, thoroughly wet. He is drenched to the skin. A. He is thin and skinny. B. He is thoroughly wet. The answer is option B. He is thoroughly wet. Next, page number 118. Read the sentences and number them in correct order. He wished to have Gopal with him. Salim felt that it should come from within. He thought he wouldn't be able to finish it. The old man worked tirelessly on the sculpture. He realized that Gopal must learn to carve the finer details. He had a strong wish to finish it in time. Over days, he felt very weak. The answer is the old man worked tirelessly on the sculpture. The next one, he had a strong wish to finish it in time. Then third, over days he felt very weak. Then fourth, he thought he would not be able to finish it. Then fifth one, he wished to have Gopal with him. Then sixth one, he realized that Gopal must learn to carve the finer details. Then seventh one, Salim felt that it should come from within. Then page number 120. Read section 3, para 1 and 4 and answer the following questions. Paragraph 1. Who listened to the cheating sound of the sizzle? The answer is the old man. Second one, who was working with the hammer and sizzle? The answer is Salim. Paragraph 4. First one, who was staring? The old man. The answer is the old man. Second one, who was the young stone carver? The answer is Salim. Third one, what was he working on? The answer is the face of the statue. Page number 121, vocabulary. Roman A. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Find the meaning of the words from the dictionary and fill in the blanks. First one, applique. Second one, calligraphy. Third one, ikipana. Fourth one, origami. Fifth one, tapestry. First one, applique, ornamental needlework. Then second one, calligraphy, the art of producing decorative handworking. Third one, ikipana, the art of Japanese flower arrangement. Fourth one, origami, the Japanese art of folding paper into decorative shapes and forms. Fifth one, tapestry, a form of textile art. Then option B, match the tools with art forms. Column A, hammer and sizzle. Second one, paint brush and palette. Third one, molds and roll pin. Fourth one, scissors and paper. Fifth one, needle and thread. Column B, painting, sculpture, embroidery, pottery, collage. The answer is hammer and chisel. Sculpture. Second one, paint brush and palette. Painting. Third one, molds and roll pin. Pottery. Fourth one, scissors and paper. Collage. Fifth one, needle and thread. Embroidery.
Page number 126. Warm up. Discuss in pairs. Circle the names of musical instruments from the grid. One is done for you. Listen children. In the boxல musical instrument சர்க்கிள் பண்ணி நீங்கள் எழுதணும். இந்த பிக்சரில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி வீணா, கதம், நாதஸ்வரம், வயலின், மிருதங்கம், தப்லா, கிதார். பியானோ அண்ட் ஃப்ளூட். வயலின், மிருதங்கம், தப்லா, கிதார். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீணா, கதம், நாதஸ்வரம். ஃப்ளூட், பியானோ, கஞ்சீரா.
Poem 2, Wandering Singers. Pick out the rhyming parts from the poem and fill in the table. Let's see rhyming words. What is the rhyming word? The word which have the same sound is called a rhyming word. So, the last word of the first line is feet. And the word which rhyme to the word is street. So the rhyming words are feet, street. Next rhyming words are row, home. Second stanza, the last word of the first line is shed. And the word which rhyme to the words is dead. So the rhyming words are shed, dead. Next rhyming words are kings, things. Then third stanza, the last word of the first line is show. And the word which rhyme to the word is go. So the rhyming words are show, go. Next line's rhyming words are wait, fate. So the answer is first stanza, feet, street, row, home. Second stanza rhyming words are shed, dead, kings, things. Third stanza rhyming words are show, go, wait, fate. Let's see composition for this year. You have to write composition in long size ruled 80 pages note. Take this as a model and you have to write with different reasons. Let's see the composition. In left side on your note, write the questions. Write a letter to your class teacher requesting her to grant you leave for 2 days. Children, write exercise number 1. Leave letter. Then date we have not mentioned here. We will inform you later. Karur, comma, date, full stop. From. Write your name. You can write your section. Charan Metric Higher Secondary School, Vennaimalai, Karur. Next, 2. The class teacher. You can write your section. Charan Metric Higher Secondary School, Vennaimalai, Karur. Respected sir, as I am going to write Prathmik exam on 5/12/20 and 6/12/20. For example, it may or else uncle's marriage, year boring function, going to temple, whatever it is, you can write various reason. I am unable to attend the class. So, I request you to grant me leave for 2 days. Next, thanking you, comma. Next, yours obediently, comma, write your name, dot. Listen children, you should write Y capital. You don't put apostrophe S. I hope that you all have understood today's class. Do your homework regularly and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you children.